Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a health bar for the player object, player character. First we need to actually create a UI image element in the scene. So right click on the hierarchy window, go to UI, click image. Now that's going to create a canvas object, an event system, and an image object. Now name this image background. Make sure this has height 100 width and 20 height, and then I'm going to choose the input field background image for the source image. Okay, and then make sure this background is red. Now I'm gonna duplicate this, so you can select it Control D or Command D if you're on Mac, or you can just right click and duplicate it. And then I'm going to call this foreground, and the foreground will be a child object of the background. Okay, now the foreground is going to be green. Now we're gonna choose the canvas object and make sure it is a world space instead of an overlay. Now it's gone, and actually if you want to see an object in the scene, you can choose scene and then click on the object and press F, and it's going to take you to where the object is. So you can see this is the canvas, this is where the stuff is, but we're going to be actually making sure this is by the player. So the helper follows the player. So once you did these changes, then take the canvas and put it under the player object, so it's by player. Okay, and then choose the foreground object, make sure its anchor is on middle left. Then we're gonna reset the transform rect transform component of the canvas. So choose canvas, and this is the rect transform component here. Press reset. Okay, as you can see, it covers the whole screen, but we're going to be changing that in a little bit. We're going to set its scale to 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, and then we're gonna move it a little bit, just up to the top of the player. So actually, when you play it, it moves around with player. Okay. Now we're gonna go to the player controller script, and at the top I'm gonna add namespace using Unity engine .ui. So this way I can actually use and work directly with the UI elements. And I'm going to add a health bar, public rect transform health bar. And then when the player actually gets hit here with the damage, then we're going to update this health bar's size. So health bar dot size delta will be equal to new vector 2, and inside it's going to go to health points, and health bar dot size delta dot y. Now going back to the editor, we're going to have a health bar field here, right? And then we're going to add the foreground into that. Now let's see what happens when the player gets hit. Player didn't get hit so far. As you see, the player is getting hit and his health is going lower. Obviously, we need to make some adjustments for the robot so he can actually hit better. But when the player actually gets hit, it changes the health bar, so it's working. Okay. In the next video, we're gonna add some sound effects to our game and redesign our level to make it more playable. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.